Hey everyone. Well, it's been a while since I posted something on this channel. I've been really busy the last couple of years, but I'm back, and today I'm sharing something very special with you. And that is, drumroll please, my first drawing book. Okay, so last year, I made and published a book about drawing, and I'm finally showing it to you guys here today. It's called How to Draw for Beginners, the easiest 15-day drawing method book. And it's perfect if you're someone who's always wanted to learn how to draw but didn't know where to start. Or even if you just want to brush up on your skills. So, the book. Here it is. As you can see, there are motivational quotes in the beginning to keep you inspired before you even start. There's also a little roadmap of what you'll learn and the plan for the 15 days. Now, I don't want to show you everything in the book because, spoilers, but basically, the first day is all about evaluating your current skill level. You'll make a couple of drawings, and then at the end of the book, I'll ask you to redraw those same things so you can see how much you've improved. I think it's a great way to track your progress. For the other lessons, I'm sharing tips, step-by-step drawings, and ways to develop the ability to see like an artist, how to break down a subject into simple shapes and deconstruct it. There's also a whole section on how to draw facial features step by step, which I know can be tricky. Oh, and I've included a ton of drawing references for you to use. There's even a link in the book where you can download all the references to practice as much as you want. Anyway, whether you want to draw cube stuff, portraits, landscapes, or just doodle for fun, I really think this book can be perfect for you. What's special about this book, compared to all the other drawing books out there, is that this one is designed as a course. Every day for 15 days, you'll have a new lesson. You'll learn everything from basic sketches to more advanced techniques like shading, proportions, and even perspective. Each day builds on the last. And, most importantly, you'll actually understand how drawing works. 'Cause once you get the basics down and learn a few tips and tricks, believe me, it's easy. By the end of this book, with the knowledge and practice this book provides, combined with your time and dedication, you'll be able to draw anything you want. And another thing I know you'll find super helpful is the part about not knowing what to draw. I've been there. When I was a beginner, I'd sit down, want to draw something, and just have no idea what. I'd spend hours looking for reference images, only to end up drawing a tree. Or honestly, just not drawing at all. It was so frustrating, and it didn't help me improve. But over time, I figured out how to overcome that problem. And now, it's not an issue for me anymore. And guess what? I shared all my tips for that in this book, along with so many other things to help you on your journey. Overall, I'm really proud of how this book turned out, and I'd love for you to check it out. I'll leave a link below if you're curious. If you've been thinking about starting your drawing journey, or maybe getting back into it, this might be the perfect way to do it. It'll guide you step by step, so you won't have to worry about not knowing what to do or where to start. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to hear what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!